Okay, so I just got in from riding, and of course I'm starving because after you ride you're so hungry, and it's really, really hot out there. So I made my meatballs last night, and I'm gonna make the sandwich, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. It's gonna be really good. Okay, there you go. No cheese on those though, because I've been dairy-free lately, and I must say I do feel better. Wish y'all were here. You gotta make you one and share. You've got to see this. Look at that bird. She's out there looking for me. She jumps up there. Bubby, what are you doing up there? Is that funny? Look, she's like, come out and feed me. She's looking for me. She's like, wow, I'll pick my wing while I'm up here. Bubby, I didn't give you any cat food. Let me get you some. Let me get you yours. Oh, I'm so sorry. I was looking for you. Oh, she's waiting now. Look at her. There you go. That little Fifi. You don't like that bird up here, do you? No, but it's bigger than you are, so it wins. It's done. It walks down the stairs. Off it goes. Like it owns the place. You can't stay out when it's dark. No, this way, Neil. Come on, Neil. Come on. That's it. You're a good boy. Okay, here I am today working on my tile. It is so hard. I'm gonna try to do this whole room, so I have all that left to do. Oh, it is so much work, but I'm determined. I'm on a mission. I'm going to show you what I did already. Look, I got the closet done.